Hello everyone! We have prepared a few videos for you to introduce about our company, EMWorks, our technology and solutions, programs and services we offer, and industries we serve. Through this video, we will share with you about our company, EMWorks, our sales network, office locations, technology, and learning resources we offer to EMWorks software users. Let us begin. EMWorks offers 3D and 2D electromagnetic simulation software as an add-in tool for SolidWorks and Autodesk Inventor 3D CAD. Our company was founded in the year 2000. We have a vast sales network in the form of 2 offices and a global reseller channel. We provide our solutions and services directly or through a reseller in America, Europe, and Asia Pacific region. Our company has a strong research and development team with years of experience in the field of electromagnetics. Our products are gold certified by Dassault Systems SolidWorks Corporation since 2008. We have 2 office locations. Our headquarters is in Montreal, Canada, and another office in Germany. Our products are built on SolidWorks platform. In addition to SolidWorks' offering of various simulation products like structural, fluid flow, plastics, as a partner product company, we offer additional field of simulation, i.e. electromagnetics, in the same SolidWorks platform. This helps a SolidWorks customer to have a total solution in a single environment. Our technology covers many domains of electromagnetics, including low frequency, high frequency, motor simulation, transformer simulation, circuit simulation, transmission lines, along with multi-physics options like motion analysis, thermal analysis, linear statics, and circuits. We offer customer portal to all EMWorks software users. It is a single window for users to download software, install latest versions, request for technical support, enhancement requests, and check latest EMWorks news and events. Moving on to the learning resources offered by EMWorks. EMWorks offers various free learning resources. With the software purchase or trial, users can access the Demo Viewer section of the software, through which they can access many predefined model examples and tutorials. In addition, we post application notes, blogs, and videos on our webpage and social media channels regularly. We also offer paid customized training sessions to all users of EMWorks software. You can also subscribe to our various social media channels and our LinkedIn user group to check out the latest posts from our team or other members. If you are interested to get more information on our products, including a trial license, quotation, you can go to our Contact Us page on the EMWorks website. Select the appropriate category and submit your request. One of our representatives will reach out to you. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to contact us at sales@emworks.com for any further information. In the next video, we will talk about EMWorks software products. Stay tuned.